Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your phonic reader book 2 and today we are going to study page number 34. So open your page number 34 and read with me. Children, this is page number 34. Now let's start the reading. THIS this, IS is, M by my, SHIP ship. This is my ship. THIS this, IS is, A FLAT flat, DISH dish. This is a flat dish. M by my, SHOP shop, IS is, BIG big. My shop is big. I SHOT short, WITH with, M by my, GUN gun. I shot with my gun. I shot with my gun. I SHIFT shift, THE the, SHIP ship, FOR for, THE the, TRIP trip. I shift the ship for the trip. I shift the ship for the trip. THE the, SHEEP sheep, IS is, IN, THE the, SHED shade. The sheep is in the shade. The sheep is in the shade. THE the, SHELF shelf. IS is, IN, THE the, HUT hut. The shelf is in the hut. The shelf is in the hut. THE the, TRIP trip. IS is, SHORT short. The trip is short. The trip is short. I hope children you will read this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.